Welcome to the Education Abroad information session. During this presentation, you will learn more about education abroad programs at BGSU and the process to get started. After viewing this presentation, you can schedule a one-on-one appointment with an advisor to discuss your next steps. Please follow the instructions on the screen to register your participation. If you experience difficulty scanning the QR code, you can visit the link at the bottom of the page. Education abroad is so much more than the traditional study abroad model. There are now opportunities to not only study, but intern, volunteer, teach, and conduct research internationally. We also have new virtual opportunities, so there is something for every student. There are many benefits to having an education abroad experience. It is difficult to describe just how much you will gain from this experiential learning opportunity. The benefits will be academic, personal, and professional. You will make new friends, network around the world, learn a lot about another culture, and learn a lot about yourself. Less than 10% of American students go abroad, so if you have this on your resume, you're setting yourself apart from 90% of the other applicants, and that is in any job field. Anyone can go abroad at BGSU. Any class level or major or minor is eligible to go abroad. We offer over 500 programs in 40+ countries, and these experiences range from 2 weeks up to an entire year. There truly is something for everyone. Here are some common myths about studying abroad. Here at BGSU, we try to make it as accessible as possible to every student. You will always earn credit for your time abroad, which advances you towards graduation. You are eligible to take any of your degree requirements abroad, so you are not limited to just major classes. This means you can take BGPs, electives, major, minor, etc. The earlier you start planning, the better, because the more options you will have. Most of our programs allow you to pay the same tuition as on campus. You are also eligible to use your financial aid. Additionally, we offer scholarships to help offset the additional personal expenses. You do not need to know another language to study abroad. Most programs are in English, even in non-English speaking countries. Of course, if you are looking for a language-intensive program, we have those options as well. BGSU has 2 homegrown programs, one in Spain and one in Austria, that have been in existence for over 50 years. On these programs, you experience the benefit of having a BGSU staff or faculty member on site all year round. These programs allow students to pay the regular BGSU tuition and fees and use all financial aid and scholarships. Traditionally, these have been language and culture programs for Spanish and German, but Austria will be expanding the program to include more English courses soon. International internships are a great addition to your resume. It is adding 2 experiences at once, having an internship and studying abroad. BGSU offers international internships in a variety of different countries. These are customized internships open to any major or minor. Most popular for about 8 weeks in the summer, students pay BGSU tuition and receive credit for their experience. BGSU has recently added virtual programs to our portfolio. A virtual education abroad experience allows students to gain a global perspective without the need of a passport. While it cannot replace a true international experience, it can still help you gain valuable skills for the future. For a virtual internship, you can gain telecommute experience and develop 21st century skills. There are opportunities for all majors during a semester or a summer. You can earn credit in addition to your on-campus credit and utilize your financial aid. Virtual curricular options allow students to participate in virtual courses with our approved affiliate partners. Students can consider credit by enrolling in a full-time program or a hybrid model, combining BGSU courses with approved courses from a host institution abroad. As mentioned earlier in the presentation, BGSU offers over 500 programs in 40+ countries. Within our portfolio are different types of programs. The next several slides will go over the difference between these types. First is faculty-led programs. Faculty-led programs are when a faculty member designs a course and takes students as a group abroad. These are usually offered over the winter session, spring break, and summer, and average for about 2 weeks. Students will pay BGSU tuition for the course and a program fee that includes things like accommodations and activity fees. These programs vary by cost and are financial aid eligible. These are a good option if you have never been abroad before or would feel more comfortable in a group or do not have a lot of time to fit in an education abroad experience. Please note that these programs change every year because it just depends on which faculty want to lead a program during that time. Check out the Education Abroad program search for the latest options. BGSU is partnered with international universities around the world, and we exchange students. This allows you to pay your tuition to BGSU and use all your financial aid and scholarships. We call these programs exchange programs. You'll pay housing directly to the university you are attending abroad, but that means you will not have to pay housing here, so the cost evens out. These exchange programs are available for a semester or a year duration. These experiences are more independent than some of our other choices, but are often the most culturally immersive and rewarding. These are open to a variety of majors because students can choose from the course catalog offered at that university. In addition to our other program options, BGSU is partnered with 8 study abroad organizations that offer hundreds of program options, including study, research, service learning, internships, virtual experiences, and more. These are available over all terms and for any major or minor. Students will pay costs directly to the program and are eligible to use federal financial aid, but no institutional scholarships. Students will still receive BGSU credit for these experiences. The next 2 slides give some tips on things to consider when choosing what program type might be the best fit for you.
We have programs that range from 2 weeks up to an entire year. Think about what you want to get out of your experience as you read through the pros and cons of each program type.
There are pros and cons to every program option. There is no best program, but rather what is going to be the best program for you. How independent or responsible do you want to be? This helpful chart may help you think through some of these questions as you research different program options. Students are always eligible to use federal financial aid, and on most programs, excluding the affiliate programs, you can also use institutional scholarships. In addition to this, BGSU offers several specific study abroad scholarships and recommends national study abroad scholarships. You can find a complete list of these on our website under the Financial Aid and Scholarships tab. Once you have chosen a program, we can better guide you to which funding options may be best for you. The key is to plan ahead and consult with a financial aid advisor as early as you can. We want to make this experience as affordable as possible. Now that you have attended an information session to learn the basics, your next steps are outlined here. You can start to research programs by going to the program search on our website. Use the filters to narrow down your options. Programs with stars by them mean you will pay tuition through BGSU. The non-starred programs are through our affiliate partners. Students will receive BGSU credit for all programs found on our website. Once you have researched programs and have an idea of what you might be interested in, please reach out to our office to schedule an advising appointment. You can call us at 419-372-0479 or email at edabroad@bgsu.edu. To stay updated on the latest happenings with education abroad, make sure to follow us on social media. If you have any questions, please contact our office by phone or email. We look forward to assisting you through this transformational education abroad process.